Good morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about foreign terminology and their meaning. As you can see here, the Modi as well as Bush, persona gratia, as it is you are most welcome, that is welcome guest. There are all few foreign terminology have been given. That foreign terminology you will be asked in examinations. Let us see what exactly the meaning is. Ab initio, it means from the beginning. To say from the beginning, ab initio is used. Ab origin, that is from the origin. Addendum, something added. So addendum is something added in any kind of article or any amendments. Ad hoc, for a particular purpose. Ad interim, for the time being. Ad labium, at pleasure. So these are the few Latin words, few foreign words have been taken. Please go through everything, they are very important. Ad nauseam, to the point of disgust. Ad valorem, that is according to the value. Ad fortiori, a fortiori, that is with a stronger reason. Alias, a second name of person is known as, here it is alias. Alibi, elsewhere. Alma mater, it's a school or university where you studied. I studied from Satya Sai High School, that is I'm the alma mater of Satya Sai. So that is the way how you have to express. Anti-meridian, that is AM, before noon. A la carte, selected meal. Off white, expert. Belladonna, pretty woman. Bandolero, that is, as you can see how exactly the bandolero, dacoit. Bona fide, genuine certificate, bona fide certificate. Net noir, a disgusting thing. Bon enfant, a good fellow. This is the way how you have to do it. Check playlist for 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see how exactly it has been given, you can directly go through whatever have been given in it. Next we have bon voyage, an enjoyable journey. Cadre, it's an official status. Whenever there is a journey from one place to other place, it's a one thing you have to tell, that is bon voyage, an enjoyable or pleasant journey. Cadre, an official status. Canard, a hoax or humor. Carte blanche, a full freedom. Confer, comparing. Corpus delicti, a substance of an offence is known as corpus delicti. Corrigendum, it's an amendment. Coup de grace, a death blow. Coup de main, a bold attempt is known as, that is coup de main. Cuisine, kinds of dishes. These are the few terminologies. Please have a look whatever has been given. Next we have de facto, that is in fact. De jure, legally it is de jure. De novo, as you can see afresh. So no family history of hereditary cancer. New mutation cell, as you can see how exactly de novo mutations common in familial adenomatous polyposis. As you can see whatever de novo means afresh. De trop, that is superfluous, means more than something. Elite, superior. An attendant, in the meanwhile. An effect, it's in reality it has been used as an effect. Entrain, it's under progress. Exempli gratia, this is one thing you have to remember. For example, we used to write as example EG, that is exempli gratia is known as E and G, ex officio, by virtue of. Next we have ex parte, one-sided judgment. Wherever there is a judgment of one-sided, that is ex parte. Extempore, that is something which is given, the speech which is given without preparation. Facsimile, a perfect Xerox copy. Fox pass, social blunder, that is social blunder. Festinal and tale, that is careful. Fantasy, it's a wild imagination. Next we have festinal ante, that is be careful. Honoris causa, that is honorary degree. As we can see to the right how exactly the honoris causa with doctorate awards, that is honorary degree. Idem, that is the same. In eternum, that is eternal. These are all few examples. Next we have in initio, that is from the beginning, in the beginning. In toto, this is one thing very important. In toto means completely. ipso facto, that is virtually. Laissez-faire means complete freedom. Locus standi, a place for standing. As you can see how exactly she has been stand in front of the judge. That is called locus standi, a place for standing for the witness. Mandamus, a writ issued by a higher court to subordinate court. These are the mandamus. There are various writs. Mandamus, habeas corpus. So in that mandamus, a writ issued by a high court to subordinate court. Materia medica, that is material used for the medicine, is known as this. Matinee, an afternoon performance, is known as matinee. Me judice means, in my opinion, is the right answer. As you can see here, modus operandi, a method of doing something, is known as modus operandi. Pari passu means with equal place. Per capita means per person. Per mensa means per month. Per diem means per day. Per annum means per year. Persona grata, that is one thing, a welcome guest. As you can see, persona grata means it's a welcome guest for the George Bush or Donald Trump. The post meridian, that is afternoon. Prime facie, that is at first light, that is known as prima facie. Pro rata means in proportion. So there are various, please remember one of the foreign terminology questions you will be asked in exams. Resume, it's a summary. Sine die, that is indefinitely. Sub judice, that is pending under judicial consideration. Tele, that is face-to-face conversation, is known as tele. Tot ecope means suddenly. Ultimo means last month. Ultra vires means invalid. Versus means against. Vice versa means the order being reversed, is known as vice versa. Viva voce means it's a oral test, how exactly it has been asked in front of the view, that is called oral, that is oral examination. Viva voce. Vis means face to face having the conversation. And I request you guys to go through my playlist, and where you will find 2100 PDF of GK and GS. If you want, you can call me or message me by WhatsApp, and you find out what exactly the whole terminology, whatever has been given, you can directly go through it. To retaliate, what exactly the foreign terminology been given, please go through retaliate is the foreign terminology is used. You comment me in this section. To retaliate something, there is a foreign terminology, you have to tell that by texting in a comment box. I hope these are all whatever the topic wise I am preparing from the various sources. I hope this will be useful for you guys. If you have any queries, you can directly call me on my mobile number 7666730252. Have a good day. Have a great life.